Okay, Mila. How many glasses? How many fingers is mommy holding up without glasses?
2.
Give me 5. How many glasses? How many glasses is? Don't say anything. How many
fingers?
Why is it so difficult with you guys? How many glasses is mommy holding up with her hand? How many fingers? God. Mila, how many glasses? Jesus Christ. Mila, how many fingers is Luli holding up?
2.
I said don't say anything.
No, but
Mila, you can see now, finally. Look at the cutie.
no, Lily's like this.
Look, come here. This is your sister.
She's like this.
Esta es tu hermana, Mila. Yo soy papi. I'm your father.
Scary.
I'm your father. Hi. Over there, disaster
I know.
is mommy. Desastre.
I know. She's.
Esa es tu mamá.
Do you like my new glasses? I love that. We look kind of. Oh my god.
You guys are more sisters now.
Awesome.
So my father made some metal supports for this boat. Now it won't flex. Una plantilla de metal para el zapato hijo que tengo. Un invento. Hay que ser creativo en este momento. Of course. Dios, it's not a race.